The Secret Tunnel, The Hidden Truth, Part 3. Ali and Sara were frozen in fear as they stared at the strange old man. Their flashlight shone on him, making his glowing red eyes look even scarier. "What are you doing here?" he asked in a deep, eerie voice. Sara gathered her courage and said, "We want to know the secret of this tunnel. Why is this place so strange?" The old man smirked. "If you truly wish to uncover the truth, follow me. But only if you're brave enough." Ali looked at Sara. Should we trust him? Sara took a deep breath. "We have come this far. We can't turn back now." They cautiously followed the old man deeper into the tunnel. As they walked, strange symbols glowed on the walls around them. He struck his staff against the ground, and suddenly a hidden compartment in the cave wall slid open. Inside was an ancient book covered in dust. The title read, "The Lost Book of Mysteries." The old man smiled mysteriously. "This book holds the greatest secrets of the world. But it will only reveal its next page if you uncover another hidden mystery." Ali and Sarah exchanged excited looks. Was this just the beginning of a much bigger adventure? And most importantly, was the old man truly their guide, or was he leading them into a trap? To be continued.